I'm Eddie Cannell.
And I'm Tom Cannell.
Welcome, everyone. This is the Mortgage Brothers podcast show.
And today we're going to talk about the refinance calculator and how to navigate through it on our website.
That's right. On our website, you will see if you go to azmortgagebrothers.com, you're going to see several tabs. One of them is called the calculators. We have several calculators that you'll want to look at, but what we're going to go over today is the refinance calculator. You're going to click on that right there. It's going to bring you to this screen. And inside of, this calculator, what you're going to notice is you can change the loan term here, because depending on what kind of mortgage you're looking to get.
Yeah.
We're going to go with 30 year.
And this isn't, as they say, your grandpa's, and if you are a grandpa, sorry about that, but this isn't, the old-fashioned calculator. Look how advanced this is. You can toggle, through the interest rates and to the years paid and the new rates.
Put in your loan amount here, your original loan amount. Tells you what your current payment is. Here you can increase or decrease your current interest rate. See, because depending on what that interest rate is, will determine what that savings is.
I mean, and how many borrowers call us and say, hey, can you help me work up a new monthly payment?
Yeah.
I mean, it's very advanced. This is like NASA level with all the different, analysis or calculations that go in behind the scenes. But you have this at your fingertips. So why don't we just go through a potential scenario we might get a call for this afternoon?
Yes.
Okay.
So let's just say someone calls us and tells us, okay, we bought a house, got a mortgage 6 months ago for $500,000.
Right, just when the interest rates just started, just peaking.
And let's just say that some lender gave them an interest rate. They closed their home for 5.5% interest rate.
You know what?
That's their current rate.
Can't we bumped it up a little bit? Let's say 5.6.
Okay,
5.625.
Okay,
that's right.
And let's just say it was 6 months ago. And you'll notice right here, it tells you the years paid. Now you can increase or decrease that years paid.
So the years paid means how many years have you been paying on it since you got the original loan? So in this case, this is a purchase that you did, and now you're thinking about a refinance. So it's been a half a year.
Half a year. And let's say today the interest rate you can get is 4.75%. Now again, you can also toggle this back and forth. Okay. But we're going to put that right. And as you notice,
and let's say, that's right.
Let's just start with the same interest rate. Or sorry, 5.625. Okay. See that where it says $45 in savings? Okay, now watch that. Yeah. That's because the loan amount's a little bit lower today because it calculates your new balance.
Yeah, calculates your new balance, and it's going over a new 30-year term. So you're actually making that payment for an extra 6 months, which is not that much.
Right. So let's just start. Let's go down because, let's just say the current rate today is 4.75. Just keep on going down. You see that payment savings is increasing. Okay, so 5.5%, 4.875. Let's say today your interest rate is going to be 4.75. This is telling you the new payment savings or the new payment will be this, which is $309 a month savings.
Yep, exactly.
So this calculator is supposed to be a helpful tool. Of course, it's not going to answer all your questions, but it does help you really guide you through a lot of those things that are pretty simple. And there's a lot of calculators online that I've been on. I really like this calculator.
This one's really nice. And again, this is what we call rate and term refinance. This is not a cash out. We're going to cover a different cash out calculator on a different podcast. This is very, very simple. I want to lower my monthly payment, or I do care about monthly payment, but the most important thing is I'm 5 years into a loan and I want to redo it. I want to do a new 30-year. I don't care about my interest rate. I just want to do a new 30-year to get my monthly payment lower. Right. I've got kids in school. I've got health bills coming, and I just need a new 30-year amortization.
Yes, and you can change if your current terms are 30-year, you can tell the calculator that your new term will be a 20-year, 15-year, and it'll calculate those payments and the savings. Sometimes maybe going from a high, you may be saving so much on an interest rate.
Yeah. Okay. So for giggles, change that to 25.
25-year term.
Okay. So you can actually go from a 30-year to a 25, and basically still have monthly savings.
Yeah. And you've only had the loan for
you only had it
6
for
months.
Yeah. So you're actually cutting 4.5 years off your mortgage. That's how much fun this calculator can be.
Yeah, that's a good point. So be sure to subscribe, comment, and like. We're going to have more calculators here on our podcast, so be sure to stay tuned.
That's right. Give us a call, folks, if you need help.
Thank you for watching the Mortgage Brothers podcast. If you have any questions, email us at team@azmortgagebrothers.com. And if you like this content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Mortgage Brothers team.